Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn physics derivations easily. Start by ensuring you have a solid grasp of the fundamental principles involved. Don't jump straight into memorizing formulas. Instead, focus on the why behind each step. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building confidence and making the entire process much smoother. We'll explore effective strategies to simplify your learning journey. Once you understand the basics, tackle derivations by breaking them into smaller parts. First, identify the starting point and what you aim to prove. Then, list all the equations and physical laws that apply. Work through each step methodically, focusing on the logical progression. This systematic approach helps prevent errors and builds a clear path from beginning to end, making complex derivations much less intimidating. Active learning is key to mastering derivations. Don't just read them, actively engage with the material. Try rewriting a derivation from memory, explaining each step as you go. Solving numerical problems that apply these derivations also solidifies your understanding. Even better, try teaching the derivation to someone else. This process reveals any gaps in your knowledge and helps you articulate the concepts clearly. To truly learn derivations, avoid common pitfalls. Resist the urge to simply memorize the steps. Instead, strive for deep conceptual understanding. Always double-check your units and ensure dimensional consistency throughout the derivation. Finally, review your work carefully for any algebraic mistakes or logical inconsistencies. A thorough review can save you a lot of frustration and reinforce correct methods for future derivations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.